The Manipur Legislative Assembly today passed demands for grants amounting to 2,524 crore 88 lakh 16,000 rupees for 7 departments during the day's sitting of the ongoing budget session. The grants approved by the House covered a number of key departments, including medical, health and family welfare services, social welfare, consumer affairs, food and public distribution, administration of justice, tourism, science and technology, and information and publicity. Among the major allocations passed were 1,423 crore 53 lakh 69,000 rupees for medical, health and family welfare services, 791 crore 75 lakh 33,000 rupees for social welfare, 162 crore 6 lakh 28,000 rupees for administration of justice, and 88 crore 1 lakh 91,000 rupees for consumer affairs, food and public distribution. Other grants included 36 crore 12 lakhs 52,000 rupees for tourism, 7 crore 9 lakh 10,000 rupees for science and technology, and 16 crore 29 lakh 33,000 rupees for information and publicity. During the discussion, opposition MLAs Ranjit Meghachandra Lokeshwar and Surjakumar moved policy cut motions on medical, health and family welfare services, social welfare, consumer affairs, food and public distribution, administration of justice, tourism, science and technology, raising various concerns and seeking clarification from the government regarding the functioning and allocation of the concerned departments. Responding to the issues raised, the Leader of the House, who is also in charge of finance, along with the concerned ministers gave clarifications and explanations in the House. Following the replies, the policy cut motions were withdrawn and the demands for grants were passed by a voice vote. Earlier in the sitting, the House also took up several other items of business, including announcement of the business for the week by the Leader of the House and the laying of the 16th Annual Report 2022-23 of the Manipur Information Commission on the table of the House. The Assembly Secretariat also intimated the House about the Governor's assent to certain bills. Later, the House took up the Manipur Moneylenders Bill 2026 for consideration, and the bill was introduced and passed by the House.